Hello friends, welcome to my channel Trading Manthan. Today we will see one standalone app for Windows which can scan all the 750 stocks and give us a output in the form of Excel sheet where the current price of the stock is in any of the demand zones like daily, weekly or monthly demand zones. If you see my previous video, I have coded a Python code to do the same, but one of my subscriber was asking whether it is possible to do a Windows app to do the same because they don't want to install Python and all the headache of installing the Python and all the systems. So I have developed a standalone app which will work without Python on your laptop. So let's see how it operates. Just open the app. You see I have saved my .exe file in the desktop. To open the pop-up window, demand zone scanner, and we have to give a input file of our CSV file which we can download from the NSC website. So I already downloaded the exe file. Just I will give a input of that all the symbols list of 750 stocks and choose a output location where we want to save our scan results and do the start scan. It will scan all the 750 stocks and it will save a Excel file on the desktop. We will wait for some time to complete this scan. It will take some couple of minutes depending on your internet speed. We'll wait for some time to get a output in the desktop. The scan is completed. Now the Excel sheet is saved it on the desktop. If you open the desktop, we'll have all the stocks where the price is in current price is in any of the demand zones like daily, weekly or monthly demand zones. I have improved the previous code and I have done some strong weekly and monthly demand zone identification also in the second sheet, and also in the third sheet I have done whether the current price is in fresh demand zones, like it is not in a already tested demand zones, it is in a fresh demand zones. That is also I have added a third sheet in this one. So this code is improved from the previous code. If you see my previous video, you will find out that the logic behind this coding. So if you don't know where to download this input CSV file of all the 750 stocks, just go to Google and search Nifty Total Market Index, and you will get to Nifty Total Market page. And under that you can download index constituent, so you will get a Nifty Total Market list, symbol list, all the 750 symbol list there. So thank you friends. If you want this tool, you can contact me on Trading Manthan Telegram channel. And if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for such tools. Thank you.